Alright, so what's up, y'all? So this is just a quick little update on the truck since I haven't posted in a couple weeks. There's just a little couple things that I've done to it. Just that when I was doing this, I didn't get it on video. I didn't record it because I was kind of just experimenting. But on second thought, I should have probably just recorded it so I can it would have probably been useful for others to kind of see. But what I've done to, obviously I changed that. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I used to have the Kobe one. I still have the Kobe one. I'm saving it. Maybe later I could switch it back on, but I just kind of wanted to go with the Heartbeat of America. Kind of makes it look a little bit more classic. But the main thing was tinting the windows. I think it was like a 2% or something like that. I did this myself. This one was the pre-cut window tint that I used. The only problem was that the back piece, oh, and also these stickers, I added these as well. The Virgen de Guadalupe. So with the window tint, it was the pre-cut window tint that I used from eBay. I think it was like 25 bucks, and it comes for my window. But what happened was that the back pieces that they sent me didn't like really fit, so it left a little gap here. So what I ended up doing was that I put another piece of window tint that I later bought and cut it myself, and I just put it on there to kind of like cover that little gap that it left. So I ended up putting like total, and also what I gotta mention is that I didn't even remove the old window tint that this window had. I kind of just put it over it because I just wanted it to be dark. So technically this thing has like 3 pieces of window tint. So I mean, it's like super dark. You can't see anything in there unless you like get super close, but it's like super dark now. I also added the window sun strip thing up here. So this one, when I had bought the window tint, I think I got like a 35%. So later on I regretted it, and I thought I should have probably just gotten the 5% for it. But my plans were to tint the whole windshield, but then I thought that maybe I didn't know how, so that's why I didn't do it. Here's the other side with it. Just kind of dirty. I need to wash my truck. You can see it's all like dusty. Maybe in the next video I could do the window tint, and then I'll show you guys the inside as well. I'm kind of like tweaking around the inside, like finished painting it, and the cover, the dash cover, but I'll show you guys that on the next video. This one I just want to show you guys the outside, a quick little update. I also painted this over here because mine, if you see my previous videos, this was all painted black, like the previous owner had painted it all. And usually when you put this window, it has like a chrome piece. So I ended up just painting this with the metallic gray that I used to paint the wheels, which they were the wheels for this truck, but now I moved them to that one. But I had leftover paint, so I ended up just like masking it off and painting it. I think it looks a little bit better like that because it was just like a faded black. So now it has that like aluminum grayish chrome look to it. And obviously I added the stickers. Excuse all the stuff I have in the back because they're just all the stuff that we bought from the store I haven't taken out. But there it is. I'm trying to see what else I've done to it since then. Little stuff like I painted the muffler with the rust reformer until I get a new exhaust. I painted the tow hitch. I used to have a lock on there, so I broke that off and I just painted it also black. Little minor touch-up stuff that I've been doing to it. Another thing was these mirrors. I ended up replacing this one because when I was backing up from the garage, I ended up hitting it like on the side right here, and I ended up breaking this piece of mirror. So I ended up buying the whole replacement. But I don't like the fact that these are like plastic. They're not even like metal chrome. But I mean, I didn't want to go through the hassle of returning them. They were only 50 bucks for the pair. So I mean, they look better because obviously they look new now, and the other one was already kind of dull. But I still saved the original ones just in case later on I want to like put those back on. I mean, these do the job for now. Back up a little bit so you guys can see it with the fresh window tint now. I think it makes a big difference with the window tint. As far as recommendations for the pre-cut, I think I recommend it. You just gotta look up a couple of videos on YouTube on how to install it. But I mean, it's not that hard. I would recommend it. It's just the fact that the back piece window, they didn't send it, like it was a little smaller, so I left that little gap. But other than that, still, if you just want to do a quick little job yourself instead of paying 200 bucks somewhere, Do it for 25 bucks. It's not bad. Trying to see what else I've done to it from the outside. Like I said, I'll show you guys the interior later on. I'll be posting the next video soon as far as how the interior looks now, because it's kind of pretty much finished from the inside as well. But there it is, y'all. Let me know what you guys think with the window tint. How do you think it came out? I think I did an alright job besides the passenger window where it kind of bubbled up. The rest of it was pretty fine. It was not that hard. But anyways, well, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate everyone who's been subscribing, showing some love to the channel, and be sure to stay tuned for some next videos, y'all. All right, peace.